Introducing the Pro Control Jug. Designed for precise latte art and milk texturing. Its handleless design with heat-resistant silicone sleeve ensures a secure grip, and the wider Pro spout allows for detailed latte art. Pour milk into the 14.2-ounce jug. Between the minimum or max measurements inside is a guide. The angled opening provides a clear view when texturing, making it easy to monitor texture and temperature. Use the exposed base to maintain the desired milk temperature. Pour through the Pro spout for fine, precise lines in your latte art. The silicone sleeve aids in heat control and is removable for easy cleaning. Crafted for mastering perfect microfoam, the Pro Control Jug is a functional and stylish addition to your espresso setup. The Craft Collection by Breville.